like we are basically in the second week of what is likely to be a 5 to 6 week breakout, which means that, in my opinion, we will probably not be getting any significant pullback until sometime in early to mid-August. Does that mean it's going to be up only? No. On like super short-term timeframes, there will be a little bit of volatility. But even when we look at altcoins here on the daily, and of course back here we were looking at total on the weekly, in case you missed that. But now we're looking at others, which is basically more focused on altcoins. And you can see that even for altcoins, yeah, like, today's looking like a red day, but like, can you really say that this is some kind of huge pullback that's going on here? Not really. Like, maybe we can zoom into the 4-hour and say, okay, there's a little bit of chop and grind here, but there isn't really anything like, I guess, like, if this is a cause for concern for you, then I don't know what to say. This is quite clearly, in my opinion, a slow grind higher, which I think is going to continue into the end of the month for altcoins here. And I do think that maybe, again, this is what I've drawn out here in yellow. Apologies if it's a little bit hard to see. But basically going into the end of the month or early next month, nice big rally in altcoins. Then we get a pullback sometime in early August, and then we get that second leg higher into the actual altcoin season. As I've been mentioning in recent videos, right now the focus for this initial kind of altcoin rally stage here, the focus is going to be on large caps. So if you have lots of small caps and you're basically annoyed that you're seeing large caps rally, be a little bit patient. It's going to take time. We should see small caps start to rally a little bit more as we enter the end of the month, and especially as we enter into August. And again, there will probably be some significant pullback, but as you can see, in case my drawing didn't make it clear enough, that pullback will probably take most crypto prices to levels that are still higher than what they are now. Like, basically we're in still another leg higher, and then a pullback that's not going to take prices back to where they are now, and then we're going to see a continuation higher in August. This is what I'm working with right now. It's going to be really interesting to see what the next kind of reset phase because basically we have like this 11-day mini cycle, which is either an uptrend or a downtrend, and then we have like a reset phase, which is either a grind lower or a slow grind higher. And it looks like we're potentially going to get a slow grind higher here. It's still a bit too soon to say, but if we have the RSI on here on the daily, you can see that Bitcoin was kind of getting into, well, not necessarily into overbought territory, but pretty close. Like, it was around 77, let's say, on the RSI. Now it's down to like 63, and this is on the daily. I think if we zoom into the 4 hours, even lower, yeah, it's close to 50. So basically, and you can see even clearer here, guys, just how much Bitcoin has been chopping in a range. So any chop within this range is completely normal, and what that's basically doing is completely resetting the RSI, resetting momentum, resetting sentiment, so then that way Bitcoin can continue powering higher. Long-winded way of saying is that Bitcoin looks like it's going to continue grinding higher here into the end of the month.